And the debate over who will replace Justice Antonin Scalia on the Supreme Court continues.
Some argue the president has the power to decide who should replace Scalia, while others say the Senate should make that decision.
WSO's 10's Duke Carter spoke with political experts. He joins us in the studio with more tonight. So, Duke, what are they saying about this election process?
Good evening, John. Well, in short, they say it could be a long process before we finally know who will take over Scalia's seat. President Obama has a list of nominees that include federal judges, a Washington appeals court judge, as well as a litigator, and former clerk to Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. President Obama is looking to get someone who
is an outstanding legal mind, somebody who cares deeply about our democracy and cares about rule of law, and any fair-minded person, even somebody who disagreed with my politics, would say would serve with honor and integrity on the court.
But will the nominees get a hearing? Senate Republicans in charge say,
I would wait until the nominee is made before I would make any decision.
Mark Warner stopped in Lynchburg this afternoon, and he believes the president still has time to nominate a justice, and that the Senate has time to approve it.
My hope is, though, that he appoints someone that's got a record of consensus building so that we can minimize as much as possible.
For any judicial vacancy on the federal level, the president makes a nomination.
We spoke with political expert Dr. Ed Lynch. He says, in short, the legislative and executive branch have to agree on someone, but slows the process.
Doesn't get to name anyone whom he pleases. The Senate doesn't get to name anyone whom they please. They have to come to some sort of an agreement. And in the current political situation, it seems as though that agreement is going to be very, very difficult.
Because Lynch says both branches are looking for what they want. And Lynch says now that the race is on for the White House, it may affect who people choose from among the many still running for president. Now, because of President Obama's short time left in office, Lynch says Senate Republicans can argue that this is a 30-year commitment, and they want to take their time to do background checks and question the nominees to see if they're a good fit to sit on the Supreme Court after President leaves office.